Hey. Well, we're out here at my apartment complex. Quite blizzardous conditions. It's fucking freezing. I can't feel my fingertips. It's fucking cold. And I've come out here to document it for no goddamn reason whatsoever, other than I was fucking bored. Right there's a little waterfall thing, making my fingertips going even more numb than what I already was. What the fuck is my problem? So as I walk around out here, you ask why. Would some dumbass be out here freezing his balls off? And literally, my penis is like a turtle right now. But I'm documenting this because I'm fucking bored. There's the highway. God, I can't feel my fucking fingers. There's the highway. Nothing to see there. It's just a fucking blizzard out here. Hey, there's a sign for my apartments. Wanna call my apartments? There's the fucking phone number. One easy fucking payment. Rent, phone, cable, high internet. The internet sucks. Don't let them fool you. I've got to get going back inside. Let's see if I can get up here in the light to see in this blizzard. Whoa, that's fucking nuts here. Ah, going back inside. I can't feel my fucking fingers. They're turning purple.